All right, we record it. All right. So we try to start it like a cobra for like a beginners. And then I got some idea what the first things we gotta find out which ways you like it to go. And then some people going like this way is more comfortable, and some people going this way is more comfortable. And then we tested on the old man movement first. So you go comfortable this way, so you should be turned this way is more comfortable. You're doing the cobra. And some people are more used to it, more natural to go like this way than the old man. So we're going this way, the cobra. But other than that, people have a problem with the shoulders, doing cobraing like this or like this way. So the elbows and the shoulders not comfortable. So we going back to the first step we gotta do, like old man doing right. So it's like idea with the aerobics idea like this, hands up, straight, right, and then you boom, pick it up your shoulder, right, and then you step, and you pick it up this shoulder, and then boom again, and then step, then pick it up this shoulder. And going this way, so straight back, yeah, then go boom, then step, right, then boom, step, and boom, step, yeah. Okay, go backward again. So we'll go boom, and then step, boom, step, yeah. And then we put this like a circle motion for this step. We put the like body first, and then step, boom, step, boom, step, all going this way, boom, the step, circle, and step, like a boom. Did you get it? Like before you step.
It's harder going the other way.
Yeah. So like before you step, you put like a circle like this, then step, and then boom this way, and then step, and make sure your shoulder together. So like this, right? You pick it up here, and then this chest, boom, and then pick it up with this shoulder, like a boom, there, and then you step. Like pick it up with this one, yeah. Then boom, step, yeah. Yeah. Step. Boom, circle. So you circle done, you this already. And then you step. Then this one pick it up. So you step, cancel, regular, boom, step. Yeah. Then again, boom, then step, boom, then step, and boom, step, yeah. Boom, step, yeah. Boom, step. The shoulder. You step, like you. So you here, right? And then, boom, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, boom, yes. So going to like a little bit natural to go. So you go boom, step, then step, there. But it's boom, step, boom, step, boom, step, boom, step. You gotta put the shoulder, boom, step. Yeah. It's kind of easier to us, but like a beginner's always a little bit hard time to do that shit.
Yeah. It's a hard movement for the chest.
Yeah. Yeah. So you this way you're comfortable.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. This way is much harder for me.
So your cobra is this way. Like a unclockwise. This is clockwise, right? So
counterclockwise, yeah.
So now we can figure out which cobra ways you're more comfortable. Then we're doing like a idea was called a diamond, like this, shape like this. So side, front, side, in, and side, front, side, in, side, front, side, in. Now we gotta do like a higher shoulder, meaning like you gotta move bigger shoulders. So you pick it up as like almost touching your ear, this, and then out was your shoulder pull back all the way. Then put them in you're touching this ears almost, and go in was like in like this. The hands go this, yeah, like this. You can almost pickies try to touch it like this, yeah. So go in like this, right? Then go here again, boom, boom front, boom, and then in, right? Boom, boom. So that means the higher shoulder, like this, this. You put your hands move like this. Yeah. So like here to boom, boom, then bring in like this. Yeah. And out again, boom. So like a side touch in the side, right? Then the other side here. This is the front, right? Then go in this one, maybe like a sideway. Here, then go in, all the way. Yeah. Then boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. Right. So you can make it like a higher shoulder. It's like a bigger in and an out and a high, yeah. I know it's kind of wrong, but this is you can get the body movements right. The bigger. Good? Anything more? That's like a beginner ways of cobra. If you got people going this way more comfortable, yeah, you just do it like this higher, right? Then just bring in here and this. Oh no, like bring in there. No, this way to that way, yeah, and this and high, this, yeah. So I'm not good this way.
So, sometimes I feel like I learn things by segments. So. I learn things by segments, so for me it's easy to break things down independently. So sometimes it helps to know if I'm here that I'm gonna want to go like almost out, hand, right, so that each thing. Right. Hold on, I gotta maybe just clip it on for a second. There we go. So if I know that basically we start here, right? And I know that from here I'm going out. It's like not correct, but it's the idea that eventually I'll get used to the idea of more fluid motion, right?
Square idea.
Yeah, it works with
this corner.
Yeah, I learn things by segmentation, so if you learn that way too, that might help.
Oh, okay. Good? Alright, that's it.
I have one question.
Okay.
Is there any proper hand placement? Just, to put your hands while you're doing it? So while you're going around, is there any, specific place you want to have your elbows and your hands positioned?
It's kind of like this. Because a cobra has a wing for like a snake, and they have a wing right here. So that's the idea was this one, on the hand. So like elbows out, kind of. And then you're just doing like this. It's around there. Yeah, that's fine. But I did this so people can see it in the camera like this. We can go higher, but we do this to keep the wing and then doing this. Yeah. So that's the idea is then you can put wavy in like this, the hands. Yeah, in and out. No, actually in, or out. Oh, that's like a snaking, the signature move. In and out is a wave, but keep on going in or keep on going out as a snake. Like you keep on going, or you keep on going this way backward. So that's a snaking. Snaking is keep on continuing going one way. In and then out. That's a wave. Like in and out. That's a wave like this. But keep on going in, and it's like a snaking idea. Yeah. So the cobra doing you showed mix of the wing, kind of like this, a wing like this, right? And then they keep it like this, and then you do the circle move, right? And then you keep doing it. It's like a little start to delay a little bit like this. But still looks fine. It looks nice and cool anyway. So we still do like this too. But beginning idea was this. Then sometimes you can make a hand bigger or smaller. Or you can do anything on the hands. But make sure you have like a little wing like this. Yeah.
Little bit of
Little bit of wing.
open space.
Then do this.
Okay.
Yeah, then do this. Like boom, boom, boom. Turn it so you can do a little more deeper your shoulder. Yeah, like this. Boom, boom. Yeah. Turn more. Yeah. Boom. Yeah. So you open your arm like this, so you can put more chest out because your shoulder going back automatically, right? Then bring in again. This, so deep it in, and then extra, yeah. And come back. Here you go. Yeah. Yeah. I think it helps.
Yeah.
Movement.
You can feel the stretch.
Yes.
Yeah.
With
With the certain angles.
All right. This is for the beginner for the chest move and the shoulder move for cobra, like a cobra ring idea.
Yeah.
All right.
Basic.
Can you stop it?